we're still gonna go for a run. It is 4:55 a.m. Let's go. First day, first morning as a 29-year-old, and I'm feeling great. So we don't have a lot on the agenda today because I just kind of want to relax. I've been going hard with so many projects lately and just getting so many things done that I just feel like today is a good day to do some fun things, spend some time with great people, and enjoy. So the first thing, we're going to go to the market. We're going to refill our kombucha, and it's like something I love doing because I don't always get to do it. Sometimes I'm working on Saturday mornings and I don't actually get enough time to go to the markets and fill it up, so Fairy has been doing it. So I'm just grateful that I can do it today. This is my favorite cookie place. It is vegan, the best. We all know where we're going. What flavors are we getting?
Was this hibiscus or blackcurrant?
Blackcurrant, yeah. We've secured the goods. Now we're gonna just probably walk around the market and see if there's anything else we want. Oh my gosh! That's freaking cute! Hello! Who is this creature? He looks so unbothered. And we are now gonna go get acais! Let's go! Bye, Nemo! Have a nice morning, day, however long we take. That was so good. Okay, we're in Adidas outlet. Can't say I love it. Maybe next one. We had a senior moment where we couldn't figure out where we parked. So we're just walking around the car park trying to figure it out. So I realized I never actually spoke about what I did for the rest of my birthday. We actually just went home and a bunch of my friends came over and we just had some snacks, had so many fun conversations. I didn't really film any of that. I just wanted to spend some time with them and relax. That was my main point of my birthday. I just wanted to enjoy, and that's exactly what I did. It was a perfect day. Forgot to do candles though.
Chemicals. Happy 29th birthday.
Don't burn my hand.
Oh, nu är det lager så.